Fuses are simple safety devices used to provide overcurrent protection for electrical circuits. The essential component in a fuse is a metal wire or strip that links two contact terminals together. If too much current flows through the fuse, the metal link will melt and interrupt the circuit. A fuse can only trip to open the circuit once, so it needs to be replaced or repaired to complete the circuit again. Today, thousands of different fuse designs are used to achieve basic circuit protection requirements, using specific current and voltage ratings, breaking capacities, and response times. The operating characteristics for any given fuse are chosen to satisfy the needs of the application to protect a circuit without needless interruption. Automotive fuses are mainly used in automobiles, as the name implies. These fuses today most commonly take the form of blade-type fuses, though other form factors may also be seen occasionally. Automotive fuses generally have lower voltage ratings than other types of fuses, such as 12-volt, 32-volt, and 42-volt. Cartridge fuses are commonly used to protect electrical appliances where high voltage ratings and currents are required, such as air conditioners, refrigerators, and more. They see regular use in both commercial and home applications, and are usually offered as a general-purpose fuse without a time delay and a heavy-duty cartridge fuse with a time delay. Resettable fuses use a thermoplastic conductive element known as a polymeric positive temperature coefficient thermistor that impedes the circuit during an overcurrent condition by increasing device resistance. The PPTC thermistor is self-resetting, and that when it is removed, the device will cool and revert back to low resistance. Thermal fuses are typically found in consumer equipment, such as coffee makers, hair dryers, and transformers powering small consumer electronic devices. These fuses contain a fusible, temperature-sensitive alloy, which holds a spring contact mechanism normally closed. If the surrounding temperature gets too high, the alloy will melt and allows the spring contact mechanism to break the circuit. For example, if a hairdryer gets hot enough to become a fire risk, the fuse will cut power to the hairdryer once it melts. You can view our full selection of fuses and more at Galco.com.